Hello. Oh wow. Let me turn this a little bit so I don't have that window and see if my lighting looks any better. Maybe a little bit. I thought this would be a nice, well-lit place to do my video. I'm in my bathroom so I could have the door locked so no children walk in on me. But the lighting's not working out so well, but I'll do the best I can. Okay, so yesterday I was at the post office. I had to mail some packages, and I knew I had packages that were delivered that were ready to pick up. So I went in, mailed my packages first, and then went to my P.O. box. My key wouldn't open it, so I freaked out a little bit, but then I decided, well, I got packages anyway, so I'm gonna have to go in. So I went in, told them my key wasn't working, and she said, oh, because your mailbox is crammed full. So I got my mail, and then she brought out the packages. So while I'm waiting for my packages to come back, a lady came in the post office and was standing behind me in line, and I had my Lilla Rose shirt. I had it on then, and my hair's up always. So this is what she saw from behind me. I don't know if you can see it because of the lighting, but so she said, excuse me, I see Lilla Rose on your shirt and in your hair, and wondered if I sold it. And I said, yes, I do. So I gave her a business card, and she said she'd been looking for somebody that had sold it. So I was excited to find somebody, or that she found me. And then my boxes came out, and I had the Lilla Rose package, and then I had Young Living package, and then this other one's kind of large. I had my Norwex box from the party that I hosted last week or week before. And when she saw the boxes I got, she was like, ooh, Norwex, ooh, Young Living. We must have a lot in common. So that was kind of fun. Fun story from the post office. So I'm going to show you, I have a craft show. Not this coming Saturday on the 13th. We'll be at the State Fair doing cooking, the kids cooking contest with my middle daughter. But then the Saturday after that, I have a craft show in Midlothian Fall Festival at the football stadium. I think there's another craft show in Midlothian called the Fall Festival that's at a different location. But the one I'm at is at, ooh, that's better lighting. I'm at the Fall Festival and Cupcake Run that will be at the Midlothian football stadium. So I had to get some things for that show. And then I got a couple of things fall-y to show you. So this is our maple clip. It has been released before in the past, but it is re-released now. Let's see if I can make it focus. Isn't that weird? My finger's showing up on the opposite side of the screen. Well, you get it. So the large beads are wooden. They're a dark green in color, like a forest green. And then it's got mixed metals. So it's gold, silver, and kind of a bronze looking color. The centerpiece is a large maple leaf, and then there's a golden maple leaf dangle, a pine cone, and a little acorn dangle. And this has come out in the past. They brought it back for fall, and this year they brought a pumpkin charm that you can add to it. So this, this is the pumpkin charm. Just a cute little orange bead. And the flexi, let's see if I can show it. There you can see. The charms are held on with kind of a hook. So the pumpkin charm can be added if you want to add it. And I believe right now the pumpkin charm has sold out, but they said they're going to restock the pumpkin charm. So I'll try to keep you posted on that. So there is the maple clip with the pumpkin charm added to it. Isn't that cute? Fun fall look. And I got the only other exclusive thing that I got. You cannot order this online, only through me. I'll have these at the show in Midlothian, or if you want to get it before then, this is the Calliope, I don't know how you say it. Hummingbird. This was one of the stylish designs that was brought out for us to sell. These beads are really pretty. Cameras just don't do it justice. It's kind of a mauvey pink, but a little bit iridescent. It's kind of hard to describe. You can see the sun catching it there. It's really pretty. So I have 2 smalls in this. Can't make it focus any better. I have 2 smalls in this hummingbird, and I have 1 large in the hummingbird. So then my next package that I got was from Young Living. I don't show Young Living stuff very often, but I thought since I was having a fun mail day, I would just show you what I got from Young Living. This was in my Essential Rewards order, so this is a package that something comes every month. You can change it up. It's awesome. The shipping is cheaper when you do Essential Rewards. So I got grapefruit, peppermint, and cedar wood. We like to use cedar wood at night to help us sleep. And the just pretend that these 2 say vitality. And I use the peppermint in my coffee. And even though my kids know that it's in my coffee every day, because I like really strong peppermint, they will come and take a deep whiff of my coffee and then go like, oh, it's really funny. So got some rose ointment, which is a really nice for your skin. And then my favorite soap is lavender oatmeal moisturizing soap. This is a bar of soap. And I know I hadn't used bars of soap in a long time because I use a puff in the shower, and bars, I don't know, it was just cumbersome to use, I guess. You can see the bits of oatmeal in it. Smells really good. But this soap lathers well on my puff, so I like using it for that. And I don't use shaving cream or gels anymore because this makes a really good surface to use with the shaving. And then this wasn't in my box, but I wanted to show it anyway since I was showing lavender soap. This is the hand and body lotion, but I use this on my face like a moisturizing cream, and it takes just a teeny tiny bit. This bottle lasts forever, and when I put it on my face, it's like my skin goes, ah, oh, thank you so much. So that's the contents of the Young Living box. And then the big box. So most of you know I had the Norwex party. I shared it lots of different places that I was having a party because I wanted the mop. So the more I looked at their stuff, the more stuff I found that I wanted. But I had a lot of people that placed orders. I think over 15 people placed orders. So because of the number of people that placed orders and because of the amount the orders totaled up to, everything that I got here, well, I did purchase, they have a crystal deodorant, which I had wanted to try for a while, and when I saw they had one, I was excited. So I purchased that while my party was open, and I don't remember how much it was. It wasn't very expensive. And I've been using that for a week and a half now, and it works. You just wet the crystal and rub it on, and it's supposed to kill the bacteria that causes the stinky underarm smell, and it works. So I think I'm going to probably be getting some more of the crystal deodorant to share them with other stinky people in my family. So that I purchased the deodorant, and then I didn't earn the mop completely free, but maybe about half of it, or maybe a little less than half of it. I don't remember, but I got a big discount on the mop. So, but I'm going to show you some of the things that I earned for free. I got 2 packages. I got 2 packages of the body cloth, and I have already distributed. So 2 packages was total of 6, which is convenient because there's 6 people in my family, and they're all different colors. So each person gets their own color. I've distributed all of them except this one so far. So we all have our own body cloth now. I used mine last night to wash my face, and it was nice. And then I earned 2 of the kitchen cloth. They have a different texture than the other microfiber cloths. They're kind of ribbed. Sorry, my lighting is just not great here. So I got a red one because my accent color in the kitchen is red, and purple, just because if you know me, you know why I got the purple one. So I earned those for free. I also got a travel pack of the Enviro cloths. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 small Enviro cloths in this pack. And the Enviro cloth, Melody can correct me if I'm wrong. I think the Enviro cloth is just multi-purpose cleaning for everywhere. And then I earned 2 more big size ones on the Enviro cloth. What's that? Oh, they're instructions for caring for the microfiber. So I got this kind of seafoam green looking one, and then a gray one on the Enviro cloth. And then because I had a friend that booked a party, I got the window cloth. And also in my goodies, the, oh, what's it called? Optic scarf. The optic scarf. So Elizabeth and I have already tested it out on our glasses, and it works well. My glasses get so dirty, and then I clean them, and I'm like, oh, wow. So I will clip this in my purse so I have it with me all the time. And then I got a lip balm. I didn't even know Norwex had lip balm. I haven't opened it and tried it yet because I have several lip balms open right now, so I'll wait until I can't wait anymore. So that's all the stuff that I got for free. And then my mop. Did not earn it for free, but I thank you all for those that ordered on my party. I was able to get a huge discount. This is the dry sweeper, and this one is the wet sweeper. So far, I've had 2 children ask me if they can mop. That alone right there was worth the price. Yeah, but I said, no, I want to be the first one to mop. So, I'm going to try it out this afternoon. We're going to mop some floors, and we're going to have fun doing it because we have a new mop. So, that's all the fun, happy mail that I got. Wasn't that an lost it for a minute. So, I got possible, a new customer, new acquaintance who may possibly be a friend in the future because we have so much similar interests. So that was fun. And then I got my Lilla Rose, my Young Living, and my Norwex. And I'm happy to support my fellow business woman in her efforts. On Facebook, my Norwex lady's name is Melody Joy. And I think she doesn't have a page, but she's got a group. I can't remember what it's called. But if Melody sees this, Melody, you're welcome to put a link to your group in the comments. So that's it. If you want more information about the Lilla Rose or the Young Living products, you are welcome to contact me, and I will be happy to discuss it with you. And again, I have the hummingbird clip. I have 2 smalls and 1 large, and you can only get those through me. They will go to the craft show with me on 2 weeks, no, a week from Saturday. So if they're sold, I won't have any more. So that's it. Thanks for watching.